Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Cord's been cut. You can go with us though. Hey, recliner. We do have an empty trailer, so hey, let's get out here today. Let's fill it up. Bed rails, I guess. I mean, that's what they are. I don't know how these work particularly, but you know, we'll take them. We'll take some bed rails. These metal too. They are. Weird looking. Are these metal? No, those aren't. Well, thing in the box. Anything in the box. It's got something in it. What's in the bag? Yeah. Anything else? Nope. Well, I like it. These things are sure unique. I mean, I guess they just go in a filing cabinet, right? Are they stacked on each other, or I don't know. They're a little heavier than I guess they are a filing cabinet. Just take a nap. We'll handle the things. We'll handle the things this morning. Take a nap like that though. They probably connected to each other some way, some form, some fashion. Well, yeah, see. Interesting way to have a cabinet though. If you really think about it, you can go as high as you want with those, as long as they're bolted in properly. Have a 2-tier, 1-tier, 10-tier. All right, well, they'll fall. Daylight's starting to come. I actually stopped for this, but there's a printer there. Oh, I found out what's wrong with it. Well, I'll take the printer. That's a heavy one. That's a heavy printer. I wish that was in a little bit better shape, I guess. What kind of bug is that? I don't know. All right, well. And these. Nope. Feel like it's getting bright enough, so we don't need the light no more, but these definitely caught my eyes. That's metal in there too. We'll have to take a look in there in a second. It's got cords on them. Shop lights? Probably. Those cleaned up in just a second. This bag's already open. Let's see what we got. We got a fan. All these bags are actually open. All those are just plastic containers. Let's get them sealed. They got them open. 4 people to dig, maybe? That one's closed-ish. That's it. And sometimes the glow's getting you away. We do got a storm rolling through today. lunchtime. I mean, we're gonna get out and try to get done before then. All right, let's take a look at this. DVD player, another light, looks like. Do not want the bulbs, however, if they'll come out. Turn. I wouldn't own this because it's such a pain in the butt to change the bulb. Okay. Not bad. I'm gonna spend a little time and clean them up, get the cords and do whatever, so be right back. Well, no I'm not. I gotta go buy new snips. Yesterday when I was cleaning stuff up, I put them right here, and they are not right there. It might be around the house-ish area. Not looking good though, not looking good. Kind of figured I'd lose them at some point, but you know, it is what it is, right? I do got another pair. I'm gonna go and get some WD on them and start working them in, so wish me luck. Not too sure what we got here. There's a lamp. I'll take a lamp, right? Kind of hoping for the tree, but it's not there. I mean, there's a few things. There's not a lot though, but lava rock. Did get those cleaned up. I missed my snips already. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm gonna get this taken off. This is plastic, so yeah, I parked on the wrong side, but I was just wondering where we were gonna find another microwave. Could use one to take apart, that's for sure. I gotta go back. Gotta go back. I'm interested in that. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I think it's more metal. More metal. Anything else? Good. Let's go take a look down here. It's got bent like metal would hold their shape, you know. I guess plastic would too to some extent. Nah, it's metal. Mailbox. Metal mailbox. Got mail? Something else caught my eyes as I was coming down the road. Bought this because, well, thought it was something else. I was wrong. Score. I always take a computer. We have the guts to it too. Man, another thing to tear apart today. What else we got? Anything else? Nope. What we got? Seen something shiny in the box. Ooh. All right, now look. Make some room. Make some room for me. Come on. There you go. There you go. Oh, I hate these snips. So much work when a tool's fighting you. You know what I mean? It really is. But what I get for not paying attention where I put my stuff. I'll take one of these, right? It's got all the goodies inside of it. It's fine. It's fine. Heavier than expected. Yeah. Let's clean it up a little bit. We'll keep on rolling. Keep on moving. In the box. Bug zapper umbrella. Don't know. Plastic. Got a pair of shoes. Some lighter fluid. Kind of a mess. Bug spray. Whirly-doo thingy. Take the umbrella. And the bug zapper. Ow. It's a shame. It's probably still salvageable actually, but that was a past life of mine too, dealing with plants. But you know, that's steel. It's got the steel squirts. Oh, what happened is they put too much water in this. I mean, you can clearly see how much is there, but if you cut these off, get back to the core here because you got new growth. You know something, man, me and my background with plants, I think I can get it back. Maybe put it in a different pot. Maybe that's not draining well enough. We'll see. Looks like the storms are coming. Good morning. Make sure we don't got no kind of real papers in here. Alright, I seen the extension cord. That's what got me to stop. And I realized that that's probably an umbrella just now. Everybody's throwing away the umbrellas, ain't they? Everybody. What is that? Umbrella. Yeah. An old one, isn't it? Galvanized oil can. All right, well, take an extension cord here or there. At some point, one would say you kind of need to straighten it up, but you know, we're doing so good today just by picking up the nonsense stuff, and we'll straighten it up if we need to. Well, that plant wanted to come. You know. But right now though, no need. I was coming in this way, seen a cord, decided that, hey, you know, we want that, right? Yeah, we want it. And I don't know what else is here. Maybe nothing, maybe something. Maybe nothing, maybe something. Got some fan blades. Leads me to believe we got a fan lurking in there somewhere. Metal lunchbox. Fishing box. Fishing tackle box. I guess we'll take the two blades. No, I won't. Missing one. Cord to something. Some Christmas lights, I guess. What a mess. What a mess. Christmas lights. Take a gander over on this side. We'll call that good enough, I guess. About missed them, but we didn't. Some more bed frames. They have the bed frames. Those are itty bitty ones. All right, got some Cat 5. I seen an interesting thing too. Seen refrigerator parts laying on the side of the road, which leads me to believe that a scrapper has been here, done that, got his t-shirts. So we're kind of picking up the leftovers, but I'll take leftover that and that. Claw machine's behind us, so we kind of have to, I'm not gonna say pick up the pace, but kind of have to go with it. You know, so he's gonna get his today too, right? Absor. Look, and the reason I'm laughing is because I'm envisioning someone actually on this machine. I'm just saying, it'd be kind of a funny, probably some type of infomercial when I'm using it too. Up, down, up. I'm sorry. Yeah, that worked perfect. No need to kind of organize just yet. So we just finished the route up and everything and all that fun stuff. Not a ton today. Enough to go to the yard because the yard's like 2 miles from where I'm currently at. So we are gonna take this, get this unloaded. I did not get the microwave process down. I guess I could have just pulled over on the side of the road and do it, but I don't have my cutters, and I'm hoping that they're just sitting up there on the ground where I was loading the appliances the other day. If they're not, I'm gonna have to go buy me some new cutters. Though I need some springs. I need the resistance is the word I'm gonna use and abuse. So that being said, we are gonna get this unloaded. I'm gonna go try to find my cutters, if you will, and if I can't find them, I'm gonna go find some new ones, and then I'll get the microwave process down. We do have some weather rolling in tomorrow-ish, tonight, tomorrow, and Friday they don't really do trash pickup on Fridays. So we may be kind of hurting for a video for Friday, but I do have a lot of scrap I may load up and take. It needs to be gone for real. It was from a few loads ago. I don't know if you remember, but at any rate, I digress. I'm literally a few minutes out from the yard. We'll get this a little bit thrown off, and guessing $40, 400 pounds. 500 would be great. If I had the microwave chopped down and the computer done, and maybe if I threw off the bed frames, but I got someone that likes bed frames, so bed frames are staying with me for now. I digress. Let's go to the yard, see what this load weighs and pays. Well, we got that unloaded. Sorry about not recording it. New guy, he don't mind being recorded, but he likes saying a few words. So, and what I mean by that, it's not words I'm going to allow in the video. So yeah, we didn't get that recorded because of that, but it is what it is. Still got 480 pounds on this light load today. 10 cents a pound, $48. Not bad for getting out. What, 5:30? I'm done by 8. Not bad. 8:30 maybe. So yeah, $48. If I would have got the microwave and stuff broke down, we would have definitely hit the $50 mark today, which is not too scabby. And yeah, At any rate, I do hope you enjoyed this short scrapping adventure. I sure had a blast doing it. Actually, it was a pretty good day. The mornings has that crispness to it still, to where it's kind of chilly, kind of not. You know, you're not gonna break a sweat until around lunchtime right now. I like those type of days. And other than that, hey, we'll get it done. So I do hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna go look for my snips. I'm hoping, my cutters, I'm sorry. I'm hoping that I left them in the scrap pile. Plans, we do have a weather system coming through, so I will more than likely just load the scrap that I have sitting and do a scrap run maybe Friday. I know it's not what I would want to do, or what I would like to do, I guess is the word, but that's a thought. And yeah, we're gonna leave it at that. I do hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe if you feel the need to. And on that note, thank you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.